Hi, I'm Daniel, Clinical Lead at Treated. Evra Patch looks a bit like a skin plaster. It's a type of contraception that works just like the combined pill. It releases hormones through your skin that help prevent pregnancy. If you use it correctly, it's 99% effective. Some women prefer the patch over the pill because they don't want to have to remember to take it every day. On the first day of your cycle, normally the day your period starts, you stick the patch onto a clear, unbroken patch of skin, preferably an area that goes under clothing, usually the upper arm near the shoulder, the buttocks, or the upper back. Then you'll leave it on for 7 days and replace it with a new one. After you've removed the third patch, you'll have a patch-free break for 7 days and then start the next set of 3 patches and repeat. As well as giving you protection from pregnancy, Evra Patch has other benefits too. It can help to make your periods lighter, and some women find that it helps them with symptoms of PMT. Some women also find it more reliable than the pill because once you place it on your skin, you don't have to think about it for a week. Another benefit is that it's fairly waterproof too, so you can shower or go swimming with it on and it should stay right where it is. You can get the Evra Patch online with us. We've helped thousands of women get the birth control they need, and you can ask our clinical experts anything you want, anytime you like.